What's up, Blue Chips? We almost had a trade today on PUMP, otherwise known as Pump, and we also had a mistake yesterday that I wanted to update you guys on OSTK, and so let's get to it. All right, so PUMP, I was on the floor dealing with my kid because he was absolutely flipping out. Cute crying video, but not actually going to put a crying video in here. You guys hear plenty of that as it is, but I pulled this up right as it was at $10. I don't know if it had already went through 10, but it was like at 10. It was at like 10 and 10:01. And I didn't know if it had already tried going through or if it didn't. And like I said, I just sat back down. I saw it was going off on the scanner. And I was like, all right, well, let's see if we can get a push to 1020. And literally, as I was thinking, let's get that push to 1020, it just, as you can see, just dropped right back under 10 and all the way. It actually closed at 963 on this candle. So just missed it. I was kind of busy with the kiddo, and it happened. Real quick, let me pull it up. The update I guess the mistake that I made on OSTK. Hold on, I'm trying to find it. There it is. Because you guys know me, I like to be nice and transparent with you guys. So don't want you guys to think some random crap's going on behind the scenes. But I accidentally I was like this. I was doing something on my other screen. I came over here and I went to change something up on the TV for the kid. And I guess my mouse didn't make it over that far. And I accidentally clicked, OSTK was over on this window, and I hit the buy ask button. And luckily, it was during the big down move yesterday. But I hit it right here, almost at the bottom. It was at 1080, right? Detailed, generate. Yeah, 1080. So, just real quick. Let's find 1080. So it was like, yeah, it was at the bottom of a wiki candle, and it shot up to 86. And I was just like, okay, I'll just take it off. Because as you can see, 1080 and then took it off at 1086. And it was pretty much back to back. As you can see, it was like, I tried to see if it would go because I was like, oh, that's not a bad entry. Once I saw it on the chart, I was like, well, let me see if I can let it go. And it just didn't want to. And as you can see, it decided to continue lower after getting up to 93. So that was the max we could have got out of it, but it felt like it was consolidating, and I believe it was on this green candle that it was obviously the next candle. So it felt like it was consolidating. Didn't want it to just jump back down and go lower, which it ended up doing anyway. So yeah, that was my mistake trade there on OSTK yesterday. No trades today. Hopefully we get something tomorrow. Like PUMP, that was our edge. Just wasn't in position to take the trade. And because of them back there. So sorry for the boring week. Tuesday, Wednesday. Well, I guess yesterday technically I did trade, but not really. And then today, no trades. Which again, if I end up something coming up on the scanner throughout the day, we're obviously going to keep a listen out for it. And we'll just be waiting for something to pop up. And hopefully on Monday, we got tons of earnings on Monday. Hopefully that'll be the jump start to getting things rolling. Low Float Land tried to do something this morning. ONCS, MITO, both of those tried to do some things. So hopefully everything starts to kind of pick back up and we can get back into some quality trades. So cash is a position. Sitting on your hands is not a bad thing. Always remember that. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Questions, comments down below, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.